If you're over 50 and wake up every morning with stiff joints and unbearable pain, what I'm about to reveal will shock you. There's an ancient secret that monks have been using for centuries to stay flexible and pain-free well into their 90s, and the medical industry has kept this hidden from you. These 4 powerful teas can reduce inflammation and joint pain naturally. But before I reveal which ones they are and how to prepare them correctly, hit that like button right now, subscribe to Power of Teas, and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss the natural secrets that could transform your health after 50. Let me ask you something. Do you feel like your body is betraying you? Every step hurts, your knees crack, your hands feel swollen. You can't open jars anymore. You wake up feeling older than you should. This isn't just aging. This is chronic inflammation destroying your joints from the inside. And here's what almost nobody tells you. Inflammation after 50 isn't normal. It's a silent killer that attacks your cartilage, your bones, and even your heart. Scientists at major universities have discovered that persistent inflammation accelerates aging by up to 15 years. It's not just about pain. It's about losing your independence, your mobility, your freedom. But here's where it gets interesting. For over 2,000 years, monks in remote monasteries have lived pain-free lives well into their hundreds. They worked in gardens. They walked miles every day. They never complained about arthritis or joint pain. What was their secret? 4 sacred teas that modern science is only now beginning to understand. These aren't your regular store-bought teas. These are powerful, anti-inflammatory formulas that target the root cause of joint pain. Recent research from leading institutions has confirmed what these monks knew all along. Certain plant compounds can reduce inflammation more effectively than many pharmaceutical drugs, without the dangerous side effects. The first monk tea is turmeric ginger tea. This golden elixir contains curcumin, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds ever discovered. Studies show it can reduce joint swelling by up to 60% in just 8 weeks. But here's what most people get wrong. You can't just drink any turmeric tea. The secret is in the preparation. Monks combine turmeric with black pepper and ginger because the pepper increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. To make it correctly, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of honey in hot water. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach. Thousands of people over 50 are already using this and reporting they can climb stairs again without pain. They're gardening. They're playing with grandchildren. They're living again. The second sacred tea is green tea with holy basil. This combination is extraordinary because it doesn't just reduce inflammation, it actually repairs damaged cartilage. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants called catechins that block the enzymes responsible for cartilage breakdown. Holy basil, known as tulsi in ancient traditions, reduces cortisol levels, which is crucial because stress hormones increase joint inflammation. Researchers found that people who drank this tea daily for 3 months experienced a 45% reduction in morning stiffness and a significant improvement in joint flexibility. The monk preparation is simple but precise. Steep 1 green tea bag with 5 fresh holy basil leaves in hot water for exactly 7 minutes. Add a slice of lemon to enhance absorption. Drink this in the afternoon, never at night. The third monk secret is willow bark tea with cinnamon. This might surprise you, but willow bark contains the same compound found in aspirin, called salicin, but in its natural, safer form. Monks discovered centuries ago that willow bark tea could eliminate pain without destroying the stomach lining like synthetic painkillers do. The addition of cinnamon is genius because it stabilizes blood sugar levels, which is critical since high blood sugar increases inflammation throughout the body. Clinical trials have shown that people who drank willow bark tea experienced pain relief comparable to pharmaceutical anti-inflammatories, but without the kidney damage or heart risks. To prepare it the monk way, simmer 1 teaspoon of dried willow bark with half a teaspoon of cinnamon in water for 15 minutes. Strain and drink twice daily. This tea works best when taken consistently for at least 2 weeks. The fourth and most powerful tea is nettle leaf with rosehip. This is the ultimate joint rebuilder. Nettle is incredibly rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and silica, which are essential for bone and cartilage health. Rosehip is packed with vitamin C and galactolipids. Compounds that scientists have proven can reduce joint pain by up to 90% in people with severe arthritis. This isn't just pain relief, this is actual tissue regeneration. Monks would drink this tea every evening because the minerals absorb better at night when the body is in repair mode. Modern research confirms this ancient wisdom. Nighttime mineral supplementation is up to 40% more effective. The preparation is crucial. Steep 2 teaspoons of dried nettle leaves with 1 teaspoon of crushed rosehip in boiling water for 10 minutes. Cover it while steeping to preserve the volatile compounds. Drink this warm 1 hour before bed. Now here's what makes these 4 monk teas truly miraculous. When you drink them in rotation throughout the day, they create a synergistic effect that multiplies their anti-inflammatory power. Morning turmeric ginger targets acute inflammation. Afternoon green tea with holy basil repairs cartilage. Evening willow bark manages pain. Night nettle with rosehip rebuilds tissue while you sleep. This is the complete monk protocol. This is what kept them walking, working, and thriving well into their 90s. And this is what modern medicine doesn't want you to know, because healthy people do not buy expensive medications. Imagine waking up tomorrow without that sharp pain in your knees. Imagine bending down to tie your shoes without wincing. Imagine feeling 20 years younger just by changing what you drink. This is your moment of decision. You can keep living in pain, dependent on pharmaceuticals with dangerous side effects, or you can try what has worked for centuries. These 4 monk teas are waiting for you. Start with just 1 tea this week, notice the difference, then add another. Within 30 days, you'll understand why monks have kept this secret for so long. If this video opened your eyes to the power of natural healing, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to Power of Teas and turn on all notifications because we're revealing more ancient health secrets every week. And here's what I want you to do. Go to the comments right now and tell me which of these 4 teas you're going to try first. Type turmeric, green tea, willow bark, or nettle. Let's build a community of people over 50 who are taking their health back naturally. The secret to aging powerfully isn't in a prescription bottle, it's in a teacup. And your transformation starts with the next sip you take.